Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add image to shape here in Canva. Let's begin. Adding an image to a shape in Canva is a great way to create visually engaging designs. Now, open your design by going to the Canva homepage. Either click the Create a New Design option or open an existing project that you are working with. In my case, I'm gonna be clicking the Create a Blank YouTube Thumbnail because after recording this video, I'm gonna create a highly creative and engaging thumbnail. Now, for us to be able to add an image to a shape, I want you to go to the Elements option. Go to the shapes right here. Click that. And for example, I'm going to be selecting this specific shape. You see, you can, of course, change the color to maybe something reflects your brand or identity. I'm going to put that in. This is going to be the shape, right? Now, I'm going to upload a specific image. Now, this is the image that I'm going to add to the shape. All right. Now I'm going to drag it here and add a little bit of like a border. You see the border, right? I'm going to add it. Now, of course, you can create a lot of options here. You can choose the transparencies, like something like a little bit blurred, right? You can adjust the image within the shape. All right. You can add effects. You see this edit right here. You can have an option for the effects like a dual tone, like this one right here. So you see that you can choose the intensity, or you can click on edit again if you wanted to put a blur effect. You see, there's a lot that you can work with. Edit. You can put in like face retouch if you wanted. There's a whole lot of a thing that you can do. You also have the background remover, but of course it requires a paid subscription plan. All right. Now, once you're happy with this, how the image appears, all that you have to do is click on save. You can share it to the personals that you want to work with in a certain design or project. Say, for example, you're working with multiple freelancers, your client, or your team members, or you can simply download this image to a PNG or PDF. And that's basically how you add image to a shape. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.